ሰላም ውድ የአድናቆት ቲዩብ ቤተሰቦች እንዴት ናችሁ? አድናቆት ክፍሌ ይባላሉ። ዛሬ በጣም ወሳኝ የሆነ ነገር ነው ይዤላችሁ የመጣሁት እሱም ጉግል ኤአይ ስቱዲዮን ይዤላችሁ መጥቻለሁ ማለት ነው። ማንኛውንም ጥያቄ ጠይቁታላችሁ ይመልስላችኋል። የሚመልስላችሁ ደግሞ አንድ ጊዜ ብቻ ሳይሆን አብራችሁ የተለያዩ ነገሮችን መስራት ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። እንደ ምሳሌ እንዲሆነን ኤክሴል ላይ የተለያዩ ጥያቄዎችን እንጠይቀዋለን። ራንክ፣ ግሬድ ብዙ ነገር እንዲሰራልን ማይክሮሶፍት ወርድ ላይ እንጠይቀዋለን። ኮምፒውተርን በተመለከተም ባክግራውንድ እንዴት እንደምንቀየር እንጠይቀዋለን። ፎቶሾፕ ላይ የተለያዩ ፎቶዎችን አብረን ከሱ ጋር እየተጋገዝን እንሰራለን ማለት ነው። አሁን እዚህ ጋር ልብ የምትሉት ምንድነው? የእንግሊዘኛ የመናገር ችሎታችን ምንም አይነት ሊሆን ይችላል። ነገር ግን ሊያግባባ የሚችል ዋና ዋና ነገሮችን በደንብ እንዲሰማ አድርጋችሁ መናገር አለባችሁ። ከዛ ግን ዋናው በግራመር ወደዚህ ብታረጉም እሱ እያስተካከለ በደንብ ይመልስላችኋል ማለት ነው። እያየነው ስንሄድ ደግሞ በደንብ ግልጽ ይሆንላችኋል። ስለዚህ አሁን እዚህ ጋር የጠቀስኩላችሁ ኤክሴል፣ ፓወርፖይንት እንደዚሁም ኮምፒውተርን በተመለከተ እንጠይቀዋለን ያልኳችሁ ምሳሌ ነው እንጂ እናንተ ማንኛውም የተፈጠረባችሁ ጥያቄ ካለ ስክሪናችሁን እያሳያችሁት አብራችሁ ጎን ለጎን እኩል መስራት ይቻላል ማለት ነው። ቀጥታ ወደዛ ከመሄዳችን በፊት ግን ለቻናሉ አዲስ ሆናችሁ ሰብስክራይብ እንደዚሁም ይሄን ቪዲዮ ላይክ በማድረግ ብትጀምሩ ቻናሉን ትደግፋላችሁ። አዳዲስ ቪዲዮም ስለቅ ቶሎ ይደርሳችኋል ማለት ነው። በተጨማሪም ዩቲዩብ ላይ ከገባችሁ በኋላ አድናቆት የሚለው ጋር ማለት ነው ሆም የሚል አለ። ሆምን ትነካላችሁ። ሆምን ነክታችሁ ወርታችሁ ወረድ ስትሉ ማይ ሰከንድ ዩቲዩብ ቻናል ይላል። ሁለተኛው ቻናሌ ነው። አዳዲስ ቪዲዮዎችን የምለቅበት ነው። ስለዚህ ይሄኛውንም እየገባችሁ ለዚህኛውም ቻናል አዲስ ሆናችሁ ሰብስክራይብ እንድታደርጉ ለመጠየቅ እወዳለሁ። አሁን በቀጥታ ወደ ዛሬው እንሄዳለን። ስለዚህ የመጀመሪያ ስራችን የሚሆነው አሁን ወደ ጉግል ኤአይ ስቱዲዮ መሄድ ነው። እዛ ለመሄድ ምንድነው የምታደርጉት? ሰርች ማድረጊያችሁ ጋር ትመጡና እዚህ ጋር የምትመለከቱትን aistudio.google.com ብላችሁ ትጽፋላችሁ። ይሄንን ማለት ነው። ሊንኩን ካስፈለገ ቴሌግራም ላይ ማስቀምጥላችኋለሁ። ከዛ ይሄንን ሰርች ነው የምታደርጉት። ከዛ በቀጥታ ወደዚህ ያመጣችኋል ማለት ነው። እንደምታዩት እዚህ ጋር በጣም ብዙ አይነት አማራጮች አሉ። ለዛሬ የምናየው ስትሪም ወይም ሪል ታይም የሚለውን ይሄኛውን ነው። ማንኛውንም ጥያቄኛ እየጠየቅን እንዲመልስልን የምናደርግበት ቦታ ነው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ እናንተ ልክ የመጀመሪያችሁን ከሆነ ስከፍቱት ሁለት አይነት አማራጭ ይመጣል። የመጀመሪያውን ከፍታችሁ መጠቀም ነው። እንደምታዩት ከጄሚናይ ጋር የተያያዘ ኤአይ ነው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ምንድነው የምናደርገው? ስትሪም የምትለው ዋጋ እንምጣ፣ ክሊክ እናደርጋለን። ከዛ አሁን በቀጥታ ወደዚህ አምጥቶኛል። እዚች ጋር መጣና ሪከርድ እንዲያደርግ ስታርት ሪከርድ የሚለውን ነካዋለሁ። እዚህ ጋር ደግሞ ይህን ስትነኩት ሁለት አይነት ምርጫ ያመጣል። አንደኛ ካሜራ ይላችኋል፣ ሁለተኛ ደግሞ ስክሪን ይላችኋል። አሁን ስክሪን ላይ ካረጋችሁት ሙሉ ኮምፒውተራችሁን ስክሪኑን አክሰስ ማድረግ ይችላል ማለት ነው። ሰብስቦ ሲያመጣላችሁ እናንተ የፈለጋችሁት ላይ ትመርጡለታላችሁ። አሁን እዚህ ጋር ኤክሴል ከፍቻለሁ። ቅድም እንዳልኳችሁ ብዙ ነገሮች አሉ፣ እያንዳንዱን እናያለን። አሁን ግን ለምሳሌ ኮምፒውተራችን ላይ ካሉ ነገሮች እንጀምርና ጥያቄዎችን እንጠይቀው። ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር ልምጣና ስታርት ሪከርዲንግ ልበለው። እዚህ ጋር አሁን አንድ ልብ እንድትሉኝ የምፈልገው ምንድነው እኔ አሁን በማወራበት ሰዓት አማርኛውንም ሳወራ እሱ አዳምጦ ለመመለስ ስለሚሞክር ካሁን በኋላ ያለውን የማደርገው ምንድነው ከሱ ጋር ብቻ ነው የምነጋገረው። ከዛ እናንተ ሂደቱን እያያችሁ ትሄዳላችሁ። ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር ልምጣና ይሄን ስታርት ሪከርድ ልበለው፣ ሰሌክት ልበልና ደግሞ ይሄንን ስክሪን ልበልና ልምረጥለት። አሁን እዚህ ጋር ኢንታይር ስክሪን ከሆነ ሁሉንም ስክሪናችሁ ነው።
So you would like to select something on the screen. Is that correct?
ዊንዶውን ብቻ ነው። ዊንዶው ከሆነ ደግሞ እዚህ ጋር የተከፈቱትን ነገሮች ነው በኋላ እዚህ ጋር እንመጣለን። አሁን ኢንታይር ስክሪን ልበለውና ሙሉ ስክሪንን ሼር እንዲያደርግ እየፈቀድኩለት ነው። ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር ልምጣና ሼር እለዋለሁ።
Okay, so you want to share your entire screen instead of just a window. Do you need help with something? Hi there, how can I help you?
How I can create new folder.
To create a new folder, you can right-click on your desktop or in a File Explorer window, then select New, and then Folder. Is there anything else I can help with?
Yes.
Okay, what else can I help you with?
How can I change the icon of this folder?
To change the icon of a folder, right-click on the folder, select Properties, go to the Customize tab, and then click on Change Icon. Would you like to know anything else?
No, thank you.
Hello there. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
Yes, how can I change desktop background?
To change your desktop background, right-click on the desktop, select Personalize, and then select Background. Do you have any other questions?
No, thank you.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help with?
Yes, what's the difference between background and lock screen?
The background is the image you see when your computer is active, and the lock screen is the image you see when your computer is locked. Do you have any other questions about this?
Yes, how can I change lock screen background?
To change the lock screen background, go to Settings, then Personalization, and then Lock Screen. Is there anything else you want to know?
Yes, how can I insert my own picture?
To insert your own picture, click on the Browse button, select the image, and then click Choose Picture. Do you have any more questions?
No, thank you.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can assist with?
No, thank you very much.
You're very welcome. Have a great day.
እንዳያችሁት አሁን ኮምፒውተርን በተመለከተ የተወሰኑ ጥያቄዎችን ለመጠየቅ ሞክሬያለሁ። ስለዚህ እናንተ ማንኛውም ጥያቄያችሁን መጠየቅ እንደዚህ ትችላላችሁ። አሁን ደግሞ እዚህ ጋር ስለከፈትኳቸው ነገሮች እንግባና ኤክሴል ላይ የተወሰነ ስራ አብረን እንስራ ከሱ ጋር። ስለዚህ አሁንም ስትሪም የሚለው ጋር ልምጣና ክሊክ ላድርግ። እንደ አዲስ ሪከርድ ልናደርግ ነው። ድምጽ ይግባ። እዚህ ጋር ልግባና ስክሪን፣ አሁን ዊንዶ፣ የተከፈቱ ነገሮች ለምሳሌ ይሄኛውን ልክፈተው። እንደምታዩት ተቀላቀለልኝ። እዚህ ከፍተውና ሼር እለዋለሁ።
Hello there. Is there anything else I can assist you with regarding the spreadsheet?
Yes, can you see my spreadsheet?
Yes, I can see your spreadsheet. It appears to have columns for name, biology, chemistry, average, and rank. Is there anything in particular you'd like?
Yes.
Okay, great. Is there anything specific you'd like to do with the spreadsheet or any questions you have about it?
Yes, I have one question. How to insert column between chemistry and average?
Okay, to insert a column between chemistry and average, you'll need to select the average column, which is column D. Then, right-click and select Insert. This will insert a new column to the left of average, between chemistry and average.
Is there any shortcut to?
Yes, there's a shortcut to add a column between two columns. Select the column to the right of where you want the new column to appear, and then press Ctrl plus Shift plus plus. This shortcut will insert a new column to the left of your selected column. Hello, do you need further assistance with the spreadsheet?
Yes.
Okay, what else can I help you with today?
How can I delete this column D?
To delete column D, which is the average column, select the column by clicking on the D header. Then, right-click anywhere in the selected column and choose Delete from the context menu. This will remove the entire column from your spreadsheet.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
Yes. How can I calculate total?
Okay, it seems you want to calculate a total. To do that, you can use the SUM function. First, select the cell where you want the total to appear. Then, type equals. Okay, to continue, type an equal sign, then SUM, and then an open parenthesis. After that, you can select the cells you want to add together, or type their cell references manually, separated by commas. Then, add a closing parenthesis and press Enter.
Thank you.
Okay. Biology and chemistry scores for Alex has been calculated in cell D2. Do you need help calculating the totals for the rest of the students as well?
Yes.
Okay, great. Want to copy the formula down for the other students, you can click on the small square at the bottom right of cell D2 and drag it down to the last student D2 and drag it down to apply the formula to all the other students' rows. That will calculate each student's total score automatically. Hello. Do you have any more questions regarding the spreadsheet?
Yes. How can I calculate average?
Okay, to calculate average, you can use the average function. First, select the cell where you want the average to appear, which is column E. Then type an equals sign followed by average and an open parenthesis. Okay. You will either select the cells that you want to average or type their cell references separated by commas and then close the parenthesis and hit Enter. For example, for Alex, you'd want to include the biology and chemistry scores, which are in cells B2 and C2.
Okay, how can I calculate rank?
Okay. To calculate the rank, you can use the rank function. Select the cell where you want the rank to appear, which is column F. Then type an equals sign followed by rank and then an open parenthesis.
Hello?
Hello. Now you need to first select the cell that contains the number you want to rank, then type a comma, and finally select all cells that contain numbers you want to compare with, including the first cell, then close the parenthesis and hit enter.
Calculate rank of the rest of students.
Okay, to calculate the rest of the students, you can click on the small square at the bottom right of cell F2 and drag it down, similar to what you did for the totals and averages. This will apply the rank formula to the remaining students.
I think it's not right.
I understand. It looks like the ranks are not calculating correctly because the rank formula needs an absolute reference to properly compare all the values. Let's fix that. In the formula, the range should be fixed using dollar signs. Can you select cell F2 and
Yes.
Okay, now in cell F2, change the formula in cell F2 to equals rank, E2, $2, E $6, and then press enter. This makes the range an absolute reference, so when you drag the formula down, it will correctly compare each average to the entire range of averages.
Oh, thank you.
Hello! Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
Yes, how can I create a table?
Okay, create a table. To do this, you would select the data range you want to be in the table, then go to the Insert tab and click on Table.
How can I change the design of the table?
Okay, to change the design of the table, you would click anywhere inside the table, then the Table Design tab should appear in the ribbon at the top of the screen. There, you can change the style, colors, header row, etc.
ስለዚህ አሁን ባያችሁት መልክ እዚህ ጋር አብረን ቶታል ሰርተናል፣ አቨሬጅ ሰርተናል፣ ራንክም ሰርተናል። ራንክ ላይም ከዚህ በፊት እኔም ስሰራላችሁ እንደነበረው ሪፈረንስ ሳላስገባ ሰርቼው ስህተት መጥቶብኝ ነበር። እንዴት ማስተካከል እንደምንችል ጠይቄው ሰርቶልኛል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ እናንተ ሌሎች ጥያቄዎችን እንዳለ መጠየቅ ትችላላችሁ። ይሄንን እንደ ሳምፕል ነው የጠየቅኩት። አሁን ደግሞ እዚች ጋር ፓወርፖይንት ያዘጋጀኋት አለች። የተወሰነ አንድ ሁለት ጥያቄዎችን እንደ ሳምፕል ያለን ጠይቅና ወደ ሌላ እንሄዳለን ማለት ነው። አሁን ደግሞ ዊንዶው የሚለው ጋር ልምጣና ፓወርፖይንት ልክፈት፣ ከዛ ሼር ላድርግለት።
Hi there. Is there anything I can help you with today?
Can you see my PowerPoint?
Yes, I can see your PowerPoint presentation. It's currently on slide 3, which is about setting goals and priorities for learning computer skills. How can I help with your presentation?
How can I change these bullets?
Okay, it looks like you want to change the bullets in your PowerPoint presentation. Could you tell me what specific change you'd like to make? For example, would you like to change the symbol, the color, or something else?
Symbols.
Okay, it says you want to change the bullet points to a different symbol. To do this, you can click on the text box with the bullets, then in the Home tab, click on the drop-down menu next to the bullet point icon and choose a different symbol.
How can I change the background?
Okay, it seems you want to change the background of your slide.
Yeah.
To do this, you'll need to right-click on the slide, select Format Background, and then you can change the color, add a gradient, use a picture or pattern, or change the transparency. Would you like me to walk you through any of those steps in more detail?
Yeah.
Okay, it looks like you've opened the Format Background pane on the right. Do you have a picture you'd like to use for the background, or would you like to use a solid color, gradient, or other type of fill?
Solid color.
Okay, so you'd like a solid fill color for the background. To do that, click the radio button next to Solid Fill, then click on the Color button to choose the color you want.
How can I decrease the transparency of the color?
Okay, to decrease the transparency of the solid fill color, you can use the transparency slider. Move it to the right to increase the transparency or to the left to decrease it. Do you see the slider?
Yes.
Great! It looks like you found the transparency slider, and the background is now 25% transparent. Is there anything else I can help you with regarding your PowerPoint presentation?
How can I apply this background in the old slides?
To apply the background to all slides, click the Apply to All button at the bottom of the Format Background pane. Have you done that yet?
Okay, thank you.
Hello. Do you need any more help with your presentation?
Yes, how can I start slideshow?
Okay, it seems you're asking how to start the slideshow. In the Slideshow tab of the ribbon, you can click From Beginning or From Current Slide to start the presentation. Did that work for you?
Yes, what's the difference between from beginning and from current slide?
Okay. You're asking about the difference between From Beginning and From Current Slide. From Beginning will...
Yes.
Okay, so to clarify, From Beginning will start the slideshow from the very first slide, and From Current Slide will start the slideshow from whichever slide is currently selected. Does that make sense?
Yes, thank you. ስለዚህ ባያችሁት መልክ አሁን ስላይድ ላይ አንዳንድ ነገሮችን ልጠይቀው ሞክሬያለሁ። እናንተም ሌሎች ማንኛውም ጥያቄ ካላችሁ ዝም ብላችሁ መጠየቅ ትችላላችሁ፣ ምላሽ ታገኛላችሁ። አሁን ደግሞ ፎቶሾፕ ላይ የተወሰነ ነገር እንትን እንበልና ወደ ቀጣዩ እንሄዳለን።
Hello. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Yes. What is the size of YouTube thumbnail?
The recommended size for a YouTube thumbnail is 1280 pixels wide by 720 pixels tall. Would you like to know more?
Yes. How can I set up size on Photoshop?
Okay, you can set the size of the new file in Photoshop by clicking the New File button located in the top left corner of the screen. Then you can input the width and the height that you want for your file in the pop-up window. Would you like to know more about any of these steps?
Yes.
Okay, so once you click the New File button, a window will pop up where you can enter the desired width and height for your image. You can also choose the resolution, color mode, and background content there. Would you like to know more about any of these options?
How about color mode? RGB or?
The color mode option lets you choose between different color spaces. The most common ones are RGB, which is used for digital media, and CMYK, which is used for printing. Would you like more details on each one?
No, thank you. How can I insert the image or pictures in Photoshop?
You can insert an image in Photoshop by using the Place Embedded or Place Linked option under the File menu. Would you like to know more details on how to do that?
Yes.
Okay, so first, click the File menu located in the top left corner of the screen. In that menu, look for the option named Place Embedded or Place Linked and click on it. A window will pop up allowing you to select the image you want to insert, then click Open. Do you need help with the next step?
How can I remove the background?
You can remove the background using the Quick Selection tool or the Magic Wand tool, which you will find in the toolbar on the left. After selecting one of these tools, you can click on the background area you want to remove. Once the background is selected, you can press the Delete key on your keyboard. Is there anything else I can help you with? Okay. It looks like you have selected the background using the Quick Selection tool. Now you can press the Delete key on your keyboard to remove it. Do you need help with anything else?
Yes, when I try to delete it, it shows this kind of message.
Okay.
Can you see this message?
It seems that the background is part of a smart object. In order to delete the background, you need to rasterize the layer first. To do this, right-click on the layer in the Layers panel, and then click on Rasterize Layer. After that, you will be able to delete the background by selecting it and pressing the Delete key. Do you want me to explain the Rasterize option in more details?
No, thank you. How can I remove this selection?
Hello. You can remove the selection by pressing Ctrl+D on your keyboard, or by going to the Select menu and choosing Deselect. Would you like more help with this?
I cannot find the select.
Okay. The Select menu is on the top of the screen, right next to Type and Filter. Do you see it there? Okay. So to deselect the selection, click on the Select menu and then choose Deselect.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Feel free to ask if you have more questions in the future.
Okay, I will.
Okay. Have a great day.
እንደምታዩት አሁን ፎቶሾፕ ላይ ያገዘኝ ባክግራውንድ አጥፍቻለሁ ዲሰሌክት የት ነው ብዬው ማሳይቶኝ እንዳላወቀ ስፈልግም ቦታውን ስፔሲፊክ አድርጎ እየነገረኝ ሄዷል ማለት ነው። አሁን እነዚህ ሁሉ ጨማምቄ ያሳየኋችሁ ለምንድን ነው? ማንኛውም ነገር ላይ መጠቀም እንዲችሉ ለማድረግ ነው። አሁን ለምሳሌ እናንተ ወርድ ላይ ሊሆን ይችላል የተለያዩ ቦታዎች ላይ ጥያቄ እየጠየቃችሁ መስራት ይቻላል። እዚሁ ክሮም ላይ ጎግል ላይም ሌሎች ጥያቄዎችንም ልጠይቁ ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። ቪዲዮውን ከመጨረሳችን በፊት አንድ ልብ ማለት ያለባችሁ ነገር ምንድነው? ስክሪናችሁን ሼር በምታደርጉ ጊዜ ፓስወርድ ወይም የተለያዩ የግል እንትኖቻችሁን ፊት ለፊት ላይ ባታሳዩ ጥሩ ነው፣ ወይም ማሳየት የለባችሁም ማለት ነው። በአጠቃላይ ግን ለዛሬ ያስኩላችሁ ቪዲዮ ይህን ይመስል ነበረ። ቪዲዮ ከተመቻችሁና በቀጣይም እንዲህ አይነት ቪዲዮዎችን እንሰራላችሁ ከፈለጋችሁ ወይም ቪዲዮ ላይክ በማድረግ እንደዚሁም ኮሜንት ላይ የተለያዩ ነገሮችን በመጻፍ አሳውቁኝ። ከላይ ኢንድ ስክሪን ላይ የምታዩቸው ቪዲዮዎች አሉ፣ እነሱንም እንድታዩ ጋበዝኳችሁ። አመሰግናለሁ በጣም ቻው።